Hey, good morning, guys. I just wanted to quickly show you a new file that's going to be coming out later this week. It's really simple to put together, but I just wanted to make sure everybody understood how it goes together. And it is the interchangeable goose. So this is the main backer. And I'm not going to glue anything today because I still need to get this prepped and painted. So I'm just going to basically show you. This is the backer. This is the slot where the interchangeables will go. So you'll have a front piece that goes there and then a back piece. And that gets sandwiched. It basically sandwiches the middle and it creates this slot. And that's where the interchangeable parts are going to go. These funky little things are the spacers. You'll use 2 for each side, and they're gonna they'll line up right on the end like that. And again, this is just showing you where things go. I'm not gluing anything down yet. And those are spacers, so that's gonna create a slot for her to hold things. And then this glue gets glued over it. So it creates this little pocket. I added these so the items don't fall through because we don't want them too big, but we want them a decent size. And then obviously these are the little feet. They'll go there and they'll match up with the top, leaving enough for the tab to go into the base. And then obviously you would add the beak and the eyes. Okay. And then the basket, again, really, really simple. This is the middle piece. Here's the slot that creates the middle piece has the slot that will create for the interchangeable to go into. So then you have your front gets glued to there. Your back gets glued to there. And then that creates the slot for the interchangeable. I also did include these just so you can put it on and it looks a little bit more finished. Again, this slot is for the base. This is for the sign that's going to go. There's a sign that's included in the inserts, and you'll see how that works. But basically, hold on, this just gets put into this slot. Obviously, this is in this slot, and then the goose is in that slot, okay? The sign that will come with the inserts, it's going to be, I'm not going to show you the front, but basically you're going to have these 2 little pieces. You can see that. And they're just, the smaller piece gets glued to the top of the larger piece, okay? And then you glue down the narrow side to the top of this, and that's going to create a little, I don't know if you can see that, but it's going to create this little slot where you can, it's going to clip onto this, and then the sign will hang, okay? Does that make sense? If you have any questions, just reach out. I'm happy to answer anything. But that's it. This is going to be released sometime this week. And I hope you guys like it. Have a great